What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as we are coming near towards the launch of the officially OnePlus 12, as the phone is finally getting unveiled globally on January 23rd in India. The event will be happening in India only, and we have certain teasers about the phone as well. The back of the phone does look more similar towards the render which we have seen earlier, and the periscopic camera in this phone is finally true. Now, not only that, the phone will also be alongside with the phone, it will also be launching with the OnePlus Watch 2, which will be the second generation of the previously launched OnePlus Watch. Now, talking about the specifications of the phone as well, the phone will be coming with one of the world's best quality displays in the 2K display, and it will be curved display, and it will be capable of reaching 2600 nits of peak brightness. Now, the phone will also be powered by the Qualcomm's newest flagship processor, which is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and you will also be getting a full terabyte storage in this phone with up to 24 gigs of internal storage and RAM. Now, not only that, the phone will also be getting a more reasonable version of the RAM, which is of 16 GB, and you will also be getting a USB 3.2 support for faster data storage as well. Now, phone will also be having some of the fast charging included in the box, and we are expecting this time around to be of 100 watts of fast charging, and the charger will be included in the box itself. Now, phone will also be able to reach a 50 watts of wireless charging in the phone without even a single cable, and you can get the charger externally through OnePlus website or from Amazon. Now, the phone, talking about its camera, then it will be coming with the camera with the 32 megapixel of a telephoto camera will be removed from this phone, but apart from that, it will also be having a Sony 48 megapixel camera, and which was seen on the OnePlus Open. You will also be getting a 3x periscopic camera, but it won't be good as the S23 Ultra, and apart from that you will also be getting a decent enough camera setup with an ultra wide camera and a telephoto camera. The selfie camera of this phone is said to be of 16 megapixel, which we have been seeing for a long period of time in the OnePlus smartphones, and it is said to be continuing with the same. Now, apart from that, the software support is going to be major in this phone. We are expecting to be of 4 major OS upgrades in this phone and 5 years of security patch upgrade in the OnePlus 12. Now, talking about the pricing, we are also expecting the pricing of this phone to be equal to the OnePlus 10's launch price, as the OnePlus 11 was kinda downside when compared to the OnePlus 10 Pro, and the pricing of this phone is said to be around at 67,000 rupees in Indian pricing, and you can get this price to be out around in the US market for around $900. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like it, share it, and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.